In that big pine there, that tall one. And then they were roosting way back in those pines.
I heard one behind us.
Yeah, they're over there.
In
I know where they're at.
In the other field.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know what it might have been? Was the water going blub, 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 kind of sounded like a far gobble.
I didn't hear a gobble.
Oh, forest here.
Oh, that call? Nice.
Made right in Webster, dude.
That was a turkey.
No, that was an owl.
No, dude, I thought I heard a
Owl?
fucking turkey.
There's hella barred owls here. Too many, actually.
There's a
Casual, man.
Put your buckles on.
There's another bird. Oh my god, I can't see through your windshield. There's another bird.
Oh, that's got a beard, baby.
a hen.
Yeah, that's a bearded hen.
Oh, yeah, sure is. Why is he racing us? Why is he fucking racing us and
Dude,
winning?
he's fast as fuck. He was just doing 15. Dude, he was doing like 15.
So wait, hang on.
Oh yeah, these are where I want to look.
Right there, in fucking Wonderlip's backyard. 3 Jakes, back up.
I mean, there's nothing we can do about that.
Yeah, we'll fucking get here real early.
Wonderlips ain't gonna let us kill a fucking bird in his backyard.
Oh, look at him. You motherfuckers. You see him?
Yeah, one looks like a
No.
tom. One looks good sized.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the one in the back.
No, see the two that are real close together. I think the one in front of it is a
Hell yeah.
is a good one.
Now we're gonna get a stalking charge.
Yeah, right.
Forrest got the camera on it.
I know. You taking pictures of my wife? I'm gonna come out with a fucking shot.
They were. They all are, dude. I just saw 20 of them.
No, you
Yeah, I
didn't.
did. Far back field where the chair is.
On the other side?
Yeah.
Oh
See
yeah,
'em?
yeah. I see them. They're way out there.
Oh, they're chasing each other right now.
Dude, there's a hella bunch.
Yep.
You guys want to walk in?
Is that what field is
They
that?
are chasing each
That's the
other.
one me and Forrest were in. There's a chair out.
Where's those binos? Let me see the binos.
They're in my chest rig. Oh yeah, they're way out there, guy. But that's good because where we wanted to hunt, that's the same area. We can call them in from there tomorrow morning.
My 223 can reach that.
You sure can. That's about 400 yards. That's effective range. Yeah, so they were right in that other field. So they heard us calling and shit. They didn't. They just weren't. They were quiet.
Because normally they're fucking.
So where can we chill to watch them without getting busted?
No, ridge that we don't fucking.
Definitely.
So where's the field we were just at?
To
That way?
the right. Yeah.
So that's that walk-in access gate I was talking about?
So yeah. So if we were to go across the field we were just at, this dips down behind that field.
Okay, yeah, so we don't want to get that close, but yeah, if we can get
Oh, we can get close and watch it.
Yeah, we can go right to the ridge. Walking in front of me. What is that? A yak track. Yeah. Summer edition. Look. New pair of Yeezys. Oh yeah. Summer edition. Birds in it right now, but we saw them there. We're trying to sneak our way up to see them and watch them. Made our way to the edge of the field. Over there is where we saw those turkeys from the car. And they were right in the middle of this field. Over this way is the first field we stopped at. And we're thinking they boogied over to that first field over that way. And we just can't, they're just out of eyesight.
Dude,
I've seen back now.
Well, we're on our way back to the car.
And then when I went to school.
So, come to find out, those birds were across the river, and they weren't even in the field that we were looking in. They're on the side of the river I'm standing on right now. are working their way into the woods when we just saw them a second ago. So we're trying to sneak in and find a good vantage point to watch them at. Which I think may be right here. Because I'm trying to keep the high ground and get the good vantage point.
Yeah, but there's water right there. You ain't gonna be able to get through.
I'm going right here and sitting my ass down because I'm overlooking the field where they just were. Yeah, we will. They're scratching through here too. There they are. Oh, the focus ain't gonna. We got manual. They might have heard us and they're looking, but no, they're still there. Hold on. Can you see? Look on my fucking camera screen, meathead.
So I must have a tree in my way. I don't see him.
Yeah, no, there's two of them. One of them looks like a hen.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, one's got a rope.
Yeah, big boy.
Yeah.
Big boy. Sit right up against this tree. Yeah, they're moving big time. Yeah, I think there's only two, guy. I don't know where you saw a third. Oh, there's a third bird.
Yeah, I thought I saw three.
Where?
To the left, where the other ones where we first saw
He's
them.
a little smaller, right? But look at the way they're walking now. They're going back towards the river, the middle part of it, in between all these three fields.
Is that a third bird? There's the other two. They are gobblers. Hell yeah. Oh, we got our game plan in the morning. We're gonna get out of here before we get busted by these birds. And come back in the morning and hopefully kill that big Tom. Right, Mark?
Yeah, that's absolutely correct.
Yeah. I think that bird just pitched down. Yeah, I can't see him. I got bushes blocking. slow guy. I see him. I got him on the camera. Got him. Yeah, but we got him. Yeah, baby.
Missed a chance for a double. Oh, that sucks, man.
Nah, dude, that's fine.
That's perfect.
No,
Laid him down, dude.
that sucks.
I don't care about it.
We're gonna get another fucking bird later today, anyways.
Dude, that sucks.
You're being negative.
Hey, we're gonna have to go search because I think you hit him.
Yeah.
I was aiming at the Jake. I think you were too.
Were you aiming at the one on the right?
No, I was aiming at the Jake. I'm
The one on the left?
sure. I aimed for the one that's
We hit the same bird.
probably. They got spooked. They saw you.
Yes.
They saw you move.
Yeah, I had to.
Yeah, did you hear him go cluck, cluck, cluck? Yes.
Damn, I'm so disappointed.
Why?
Because that should have been a double, and we didn't even get the fucking palm out of the game.
Yeah, why would you aim on the left? You're sitting on the right, guy.
I told him to take the strutter.
Oh well. Someone might have hit that fucking one flying away. We're gonna have to go and look for that bird because
God, that was fucking insane. I've never not moved that long in my life. I literally did not move.
I thought they were gone. They came in, they saw something they didn't like, turned around. I started purring to them and they came right back in. Whew. Hell yeah, dude.
Why was my safety stuck? I think I hit that palm with the follow-up shot too. That shot out like he was flying. Wow, that was fucking insane, guy.
Hey, you might need to put another one in them.
How'd I do, guys?
Decent.
Dude, that was intense. I was shaking.
I need to
I
I
had to,
couldn't
dude,
move until until I had to shoot.
I didn't even think of it, dude, until after. But I had a feeling they were gonna drop there, and I'm sitting right there at that cluster. So if I moved an inch, dude, they watched the entire way. They're staring at the decoys. I'm directly behind them.
Yeah. You
So
just
if I moved
didn't
even
move.
a hair, they were gonna see me.
There was another bird I heard behind us, kind of where we parked.
Yeah. Honestly, if we sat, well, I don't know if those shots might have scared me.
Might have scared him, yeah. But we should go look because I think somebody hit that one while it was up in the air.
That made me so excited.
All right, we are looking for that bird that flew. I think that it got hit and flew, but I don't know for sure. So we're gonna take a look for any sign of a downed animal, do our due diligence to find this bird.
Where? See that fallen log?
Oh, right in front of it?
Does it look like one?
It does kind of look like a bird. Let's go take a look. Maybe not. No. Worth a shot.
No, I'm telling you, dude, that bird was fine. Gone.
Huh.
He gone.
Here you go.
You guys ready to kill a bird?
Yeah, now Christian, now me and you can double up on the next field, on the next set of fucking birds.
Oh, man, that was a heartbreaker.
Still a good day.
Dude, that was crazy.
That was wicked.
Dude, that's one thing that sucks about turkey hunting. Be comfortable when you sit down, when in whatever position you're in, because I was
You're
stuck
gonna be like that for a while.
for like literally what, 30 minutes?
I was snug as a bug, dude. I was
thought
so
and
comfy.
then I got crippled.
I was up, ready, like I was prepared to take the shot. I had my knee up, had the shotgun on my knee.
Oh, and you were like just like that for a while.
For like the entire, from the minute that hen came out, I didn't move.
I think this morning they were roosting in these hardwoods.
Yeah, they're
Yeah.
probably right up there.
Yeah.
There's nothing but dust bowls in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Probably
And then
on top of that ridge.
they pitched down into this half and then worked around to us, huh?
That little-
I didn't even
that
know
little
this
knob
had
over
this
here.
little fucking elbow.
That was awesome.
Got an elbow in it.
Oh. All right, let's go get after him.
Yep, we'll find some more.